Why wouldn't you, with views like that?
I can tell you what, this is a place of solitude for the ladies, but the place of solitude for most men is the dunny. There's actually a lot of room in, would say, the lounge room and kitchen area here, and then the bathroom with the shower here and the green loo composting toilet there.
Well, just look at us. We fit just fine in here.
Yes, but it's going to be a bit awkward if you need to go to the toilet. So I'm going to leave and you can explain to the viewers how this GL90 works.
This is the Green Loo GL90 dry composting toilet. It is specifically designed for tiny homes for up to 2 to 3 people, for up to 10 visits a day. That's 3,650 visits annually. That's a lot of going to the toilet. One of the biggest misconceptions with composting toilets is odour. And the way Green Loo have designed their dry composting toilet, there is no odour whatsoever. The process is so easy. When you go number ones, all you need to do is spray some lavender spray. You don't have to if you don't want to, but the option is there. And when you do those nasty number twos, you just grab your hemp shavings and toss it in. I'm not meditating, I am sitting here at the business end where shit gets real with the GL90 Green Loo composting toilet. They are a 90-litre tub, it comes with 2. When one is full, you put it out in the sun to compost while you replace it with an empty one. By the time the empty one is full, the one that was composting is ready to be thrown on the garden. As you can see behind me, this is the fan attachment that eliminates all smells from the toilet so you don't get those nasty little odours coming through your home. The beauty about this particular system is you only need a 450mm clearance under your house. As an added extra, you could put a composting maximiser to help aid coning. What's coning, you say? Coning is in the composting toilet when you don't have something to generate the compost inside, it gathers up like a pyramid. The composting maximiser helps to spread the compost inside the tub, giving you much more space for the compost to sit. The GL90 is Australia's most popular composting toilet, and it doesn't get much better than it is made out of locally sourced recyclable material.
So Kylie, it's fair to say that you guys make a lot of tiny homes every year.
We actually make 100 a year.
100?
100.
That's a lot.
Wow.
It's not a tiny number.
No, that's not a tiny
And
number.
if it's an off-grid tiny that we're building, because we obviously offer off-grid and domains, it's a Green Loo.
Okay, so Green Loo go in all your tiny homes.
All our off-grid tiny homes.
Now, there'd be a good reason for that, wouldn't there?
Yes, they've got great service, got great follow-up. We can ring them with any questions, which there always are questions. And yeah, they're a company we can rely on.
It's the simplicity of it all too, because they're very easy to use.
They are.
They're quite easy to install. I mean, if we could do it, anyone can do it. But
Certainly.
I mean, obviously, if you're going to buy a tiny home for you guys install them anyway. So.
Well, we do advise people to, because we deliver all over Australia, to get the local plumber in, or to just definitely follow the instructions.
Definitely follow. Instructions aren't my strong suit. So, well, thank you very much for having us here. It's been a real treat, I can tell you. It's such a beautiful view. And if you're after a really good composting system for your tiny home, your off-grid property, check out Green Loo. They're fantastic. And how can people find you?
We're at designerecotinyhomes.com.au and we have a showroom that's open Monday to Friday at 376 the Princess Highway, Ulladulla, which is on the south coast of New South Wales.
In Ulladulla. You better not say it too fast.
Ulladulla.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much for coming.
Going off grid.